You have watched you toppers on YouTube, you have read their strategies, you have copied their book lists, but despite all that, you are still not getting results. Why? Because they are not telling you the full truth, not intentionally, but some parts are always left out. And that's exactly what's ruining your UPSC journey. In this video, I am revealing hidden truths most toppers never mention, but you need to know if you want to stop wandering and start cracking. Welcome wanderers and fellow UPSC aspirants to our Wandering in UPSC channel. For more interesting content, please like, share, comment your ideas and most importantly subscribe. Let's start our session. Our first one, 6 to 8 months is enough to crack UPSC. But in reality, it is not. One need at least one full year for the exam cycle itself and 1 to 2 years of serious preparation before that. Even toppers have studied for years before they cracked it. Some selected just after completing their graduation, but they hide that they are preparing from first year of graduation, or some aspirants started after 10th class or 12th class. And the second one, studying 4 to 6 hours a day is enough. But in reality, you need to study 8 to 12 hours daily to get 4 to 6 hours of effective learning. Time blocking or time dividing in a day, revision and focus all take time to master it. Our third one, less books are enough. True, but only after reading enough to know what to cut. Every topper builds a foundation with NCERTs plus 1 to 2 standard books plus multiple books for references. A fourth one, self-study is enough. But in reality, guidance is essential. It can come from anywhere, mentors, friends, seniors, toppers or coaching institutes. Going completely solo slows you down. Fifth one, even people with less money crack UPSC easily. Yes, some do, but most toppers come from financially stable families who can afford books, mock tests, and peace of mind. It's a harsh but important truth. For this, reservations plays key role. I made a video related to seats reservations. You can check it in comment section. If you interested in topics related to UPSC, please like, share to your friends, comment your ideas or doubts, and most importantly, subscribe our Wandering in UPSC channel. Let's come back to our content. Our sixth one, mock tests are not necessary. But in reality, toppers take at least 40 to 50 mock tests, include previous year questions tests, sectional tests, full length tests before the exam. Whether free or paid, mock practices is a non-negotiable part of preparation. Our seventh one, CSAT, SI, ethics, language papers A and B can be done just before exam. But in reality, CSAT needs daily practice, especially for non-maths background aspirants. SI, ethics, and language papers require 1 to 2 months of preparation before prelims, not after prelims. Here, regional paper is exception for northeastern states aspirants. Our eighth one, aspirants are mentally strong. Most aspirants struggle with anxiety, burnout, and depression. They just don't talk about it. Mental pressure is real in reality. Our ninth one, only hard work is enough, no need for luck. But in reality, luck plays key role, especially in prelims. But luck helps if you have put it in the hard work first. Our 10th one, I studied only NCERTs, no need for standard books. But in reality, NCERTs are just a base. To score well, you need standard books, advanced concepts, and applied understanding. For every subject, you need to follow NCERTs, standard books, and reference books. If you need complete book list of each subject, check my videos in channel. And if you interested these type of videos, please support through likes, share it to your friends and family, comment your ideas and doubts. Please subscribe. Let's come back to our content. Our 11th one. We follow a strict study plan. But in reality, most toppers don't follow their own plans religiously. They go with the flow, adjust often, and show discipline but not robotic planning. Our 12th one. Newspapers are not needed. But in reality, every serious aspirant read newspapers or follows monthly compilations. Ignoring current affairs is suicidal in UPSC. Our 13th one. Optionals can be done alone. But in reality, optionals needs guidance from peers, mentors or coaching. It's too deep and wide to explore alone efficiently. Our 14th one. Make your own notes from scratch. But in reality, no one builds from zero. Toppers refer coaching material, textbooks, seniors' notes, and then make concise notes that work for them. Our 15th and the last, completely avoid social media and mobile laptops. But in reality, mobile, YouTube, Telegram, PDFs, online lectures, most aspirants use them daily. It's about using them smartly, not blindly avoiding them. These are the truths no topper will admit on camera. So don't copy anyone blindly. Make your own path with honest effort and real strategies. If this video helped you at least 0.01% to your preparation, please hit like, share it with serious aspirants and subscribe to Wandering in UPSC for more honest UPSC content. Thank you all.